Hi friends, welcome back. Today's video is an Independence Day special video with a special dedication to freedom fighters and Indian Army who are working hard for the safety of our lives. Thousands lay down their lives so that our country breathe this day. Never forget their sacrifice. Happy Independence Day to all my dear friends. A nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. You must be the change you want to see in the world. Every citizen of India must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in this country but with certain duties. Bombs and pistols do not make a revolution. The sword of revolution is sharpened on the wedding stone of ideas. The shots that hit me are the last nails to the coffin of British rule in India. I am not ready to die because it requires infinitely higher courage to live, said Sarojini Naidu. We want deeper sincerity of motive, a greater courage in speech, and earnestness in action. Freedom of mind is the real freedom. A person whose mind is not free, though he may not be in chains, is a slave, not a free man. One whose mind is not free, even though he may not be in prison, is a prisoner and not a free man. One whose mind is not free, even though alive, is no better than dead. Freedom of mind is the proof of one's existence. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Let new India rise out of peasant's cottage, grasping the plough, out of huts, cobbler and sweeper. Here is the 10 inspirational quotes by Netaji which will motivate us in our life. It does not matter who among us will live to see India free. It is enough that India shall be free and that we shall give our all to make her free. It is blood alone that can pay the price of freedom. Give me blood and I'll give you freedom. No real change in history can be achieved by discussions. Nationalism is inspired by the highest ideals of the human race. Satyam, the truth, Shivam, the God, Sundaram, the beautiful. Freedom is not given, it is taken. One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will after his death incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. Life loses half its interest if there is no struggle, if there are no risks to be taken. A true soldier needs both military and spiritual training. Remember that the grossest crime is to compromise with injustice and wrong. Remember the eternal law. You must give if you want to get. Men, money, and materials cannot by themselves bring victory or freedom. We must have the motive power that will inspire us to brave deeds and heroic exploits. We fight to win and win with a knockout because there are no runners up in war. Either I will come back after hoisting the tricolor or I will come back wrapped in it. It's my nature to be kind, gentle, and humane. But remember, when it comes to matters of protecting my country and my people, fear me, for I am also most deadliest one who is powerful and relentless. Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. A heart-touching poem by a soldier. If I die in a war zone, box me up and send me home. Put my medals on my chest. Tell my mom I did my best. Tell my dad not to bow. He won't get tension from me now. Tell my brother to study perfectly. Keys of my bike will be his permanently. Tell my sister not to be upset. Her brother will not rise after the sunset. Tell my love not to cry because I am a soldier born to die. Indian Army is like a mother, does work selflessly and never asks for anything in return. For those who served and gave all so that we might live our lives in freedom and prosperity, we salute you. Good morning, everyone. Every year on 15th August, Independence Day is celebrated as a national holiday in India when people remember the long phase of our nation's independence from British rule. On August 15, 1947, India gained independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. After independence, on 15th August 1947, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Indian Prime Minister to raise the national flag at the Red Fort near Delhi's Lahore Gate. By unfurling the national flag and singing the national anthem, students, teachers, parents, and other individuals come together to celebrate Independence Day. The Indian Prime Minister in the national capital New Delhi at Red Fort also hoists our national flag. After that, the salute is given by firing 21 guns and a helicopter showers tricolor flowers on the flag. The colors in our flag represent different things. Saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. White signifies peace and truth. Green signifies faith and chivalry. In the center of our flag, there is an Ashok Chakra that contains 24 evenly distributed spikes. We recall the great sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Gandhiji, and other daring freedom fighters on this special day for their unforgettable contribution to India's independence. Jai Hind. Orange, white, and green. Three colors not just to look beautiful. Three colors to give us a message that we should love each other, live in peace and in unity. Our national flag stands out for the saffron, strength and courage, the white, peace and truth, the green, fertility, growth and auspiciousness. Vande Mataram. Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, memories in our souls. Let's salute the nation on Independence Day. Be the change you want to see in this world and feel proud to be an Indian.